Welcome to Smart Money, Why Investors Are Buying Boring Businesses. I'm Anthony Hitch, founder of Quantum Advisory Group, and in this series, we break down why sophisticated investors and private equity firms are aggressively targeting the businesses that most people tend to overlook. I'm talking about the stable businesses, cash flow driven industries, quietly attracting serious capital. So let's go ahead and get into it. If there's one thing private equity firms obsess over more than almost anything else is recurring revenue. All right? Because recurring revenue creates predictability, and predictability lowers risk. A recurring revenue business generates income consistently through subscriptions, contracts, maintenance agreements, memberships, or long-term customer relationships. That means the company isn't starting from zero every single month trying to make sales, okay? Revenue is already built into the business model. And from an investor's perspective, that changes everything. Now, you may ask, Anthony, well, why would that change everything? Well, because predictable revenue is definitely easier to finance, it's easier to scale, it's easier to model, and it's easier when it comes to value, okay? And that's why recurring revenue businesses often sell for significantly higher valuation multiples compared to businesses with inconsistent sales cycles, okay? Two companies could generate the exact same annual revenue, but the company with stable recurring revenue will often be worth dramatically more because investors are not just buying income. They are in fact buying certainty. And certainty becomes extremely valuable when large amounts of capital are involved. Okay? That's why recurring revenue businesses continue attracting aggressive investor attention across multiple industries right now. So that's today's breakdown on Smart Money, Why Investors Are Buying Boring Businesses. I'm Anthony Hitch, founder of Quantum Advisory Group. If you want to better understand how real capital moves in today's economy, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.